distraction na ibibigay na itong dalawang team ito for sure.
And you can hear the crowd chanting. Hindi pa na-jumble itong bola as EAC gets a first crack at a basketball. For EAC, what they want is to avoid that fast break opportunity para rito sa LPU.
Tapos pinuntahan kagad nila score isa, no? Alam naman natin, pagdating ng scoring, score isa yung nahanap. Pero ito na nga, we will expect a fast-paced game, lalo na rito sa LPU.
On cue, as soon as we talk about the fast break points, here it is, Villegas rebound. Gurtiza, binigay kay Ochavo, pull up, misses, but Ochavo able to get his own rebound. Gurtiza fakes, fades, misses. Ito na,
Good try.
tumatakbo na naman ang LPU. Cunanan pulls up from the outside, it's good!
Dapat talagang iingatan ni AAC itong transition points eh. Sabi nga ng mga coaches, yun nakafocus talaga sa strength nila, ang AAC, sa transition offense nila. They will run.
1 out of 4 from EAC from the field, 3 out of 4 para sa LPU as Pagsanan was fouled on the way up.
On the side of, nakausap ko rin si EAC assistant coach Noy Catalan. Yun nga, ika-counter naman nila talaga is yung transition points. Alam, tumakbo.
How JM Bravo could influence LPU as they misses. Second chance opportunity. Bravo from the corner, misses.
Ganda sana ko na convert niya yung first attempt ni Bravo.
Here's Pagsanhan once again.
He's having fun.
Guadagna now also in the game.
That's the second deadlock of the game.
Guadagna will fire from the corner. Another miss from the Pirates.
Pagsanhan na naman. Running the break and converts. 9 points na agad po.
Harvey Pagsanhan playing an inspired ball in this first quarter. Lamang na ang EAC 13-11. Cunanan gives it to Guadagna. 8 to shoot. Guadagna with a high looper is good.
Nice floater, no? Next-expect niya may shot blocker, may rim protector. He just throws the floater.
Octada pulls up, no! LPU gets the rebound. Tatakbo na si Cunanan, gives it to Bravo, and he was blocked! Sends to the wrong man, and Guadagna able to bring it up and scores! Another steal, Cunanan. A foul was called again against Ochavo.
That's his second, I think.
And look at this drive. Sidestep beauty from Pagsanhan. And here's another one. Pagsanhan doing everything for the EAC. And here's Guadagna high looper off a steal. And Cunanan naman giving JM Bravo the assist. But King Gurtiza able to block it.
Guadagna, nakuha pa rin ang offensive rebound.
Another stop from the Generals. Gurtiza.
Yan ang magandang gagawin nila.
Basket!
They need to attack. They need to shoot the gap. Kung may nag-collapse, extra pass. If you have an open lane, take advantage of it.
King Gurtiza focusing on what's working for them, and that's attacking the basket.
Ganda mo gumalaw ni King Gurtiza eh. Very shifty. Yun ang nakakatakot doon. Sa sama ng 3-point field goal percentage nila, ang lamang lang ng LPU is 2 points.
Yep, they could have been up for more. As Villegas crosses the defender and pulls off.
Yeah, ang ganda. Ang ganda gumalaw ni Villegas. Very shifty.
Gurtiza has the ball. Decides to drive and turnover for King Gurtiza. And let's see what this once again.
Crossover, pull up.
The ankle breaker from Renz Villegas. What a
At nila yung mga shooters.
Gurtiza attacks. gives it to the corner. Pagsanhan drives, misses. Offensive rebound misses. Third opportunity is good.
Ginamit ni Umpad yung height niya dun sa play na yon.
Barba can't get it. 7 to shoot. Guadagna fakes. 4 seconds. Aviles able to get a shot before the time expires.
Alam natin talaga magiging close tong game na to.
Look at the hassle from both teams, getting those offensive rebounds and scoring.
Walang
That's
bumibigay, no? Walang bumibigay.
That's
Both
the
teams.
same way to the other side. McLeod Guadagna able to get a pass, going to Aviles.
0 out of 15 for the whole team, for the whole team.
Drives, a steal here. 2-on-1 fast break. Pagsanhan and Gurtiza, a great duo. Pagsanhan scores the basket.
Very unselfish. No field goals made for LPU. Naramdaman natin, tinaas na lang ng EAC yung level ng defense nila.
0 out of 19 from the 3-point line. Itong EAC Generals. Cunanan gives it underneath and scores.
At least na-break na nila yung slump, no? First basket for in the
Michael.
third.
That's the first basket for Michael Versosa. Chavo gives it to Gurtiza. Underneath to Oftana against Barba. Look at that move!
Nice move
From
by Oftana.
2 out of 2 for Michael Versosa. Lucero attacks and scores!
Nice finish by Lucero. Napakaganda.
May foul pang kasama ron.
Mahirap kasi bantayan si Lucero. Hindi mo alam kung kailan papasa, kailan titira eh. So the first half nakikita naman natin, gusto niyang mag-create and to pass. This time, nakita natin, walang humihelp, walang rim protector. Goes 3. 3 possessions pa to. The third.
5-point lead by EAC. Guadagna gets it to Versosa. Underneath is good!
Malaking bagay yung nakapuntos to sa Versosa kasi nagkakaroon na ng run si EAC.
Save by Daileg. Tatakbo na. Versosa once again. And he will be fouled. And the basket for Michael Versosa. Michael Versosa has 6 points.
That's his 8th point.
8-point all in this quarter.
All in the third. All in the third. Tsaka ang ganda ng timing ni Versosa. Akala ko nararamdaman na natin na si EAC on the third.
43 all ang score natin. 11 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Lucero has the ball. Lucero drives and scores once again. What a scoop shot from Lucero to beat the buzzer. Look at this, dancing against the defense of LPU. Look at that move
Wow.
from Lucero.
Kaya pala nagpapasmile si Lucero.
By EAC, just a 1-point lead. Lucero, once again dancing, drops it off. Kinal!
Ganda ng setup ni Lucero ron. Alam mo, once is going to attack, nakikita niya yung mga kampi niya eh.
Guadagna has the ball. Winning team here will have an advantage going. Moving forward, Lucero. Blocked by Daileg, but a putback. Putback mula rito. Tend to work with for the gray shirts. Now Daileg has the ball, fakes against Lucero. Cunanan to the corner, Barba. Misses once again. The ball will be with EAC. Gurtiza drives, misses. Bravo gets the ball.
Nice outlet pass. Sayang hindi naka-convert ang EAC doon.
Eto na si Barba.
Pinagbayad ngayon yung wrong decision ni Gortizaron. Actually, there's an open guy doon sa corner. Hindi niya give up. Bumalik tuloy ang bola sa LPU.
That's only his 4th point of the game. 10 to shoot for the red shirts. Kinal pulls up, misses. Tatlong inahabol ng LPU. Villegas, binigay kay Barba. Ito na naman yung atake ng LPU. Swings it to the ileg. Finally!
Nice drive and kick from LPU. Ang bagay sana kung nakakonvert si Bravo doon. It can boost his confidence.
EAC can still make it from the outside. Barba drives and scores!
Alam mo na eh, 4th quarter, Barba time.
6 points for Ato Barba. 4 in this quarter. Ochavo, 3 and 30 remaining. Pagsanhan, we haven't been hearing from him. Drops it off. Great defense! Woo! Mula kay Taileg.
Hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling nun, ha?
3-point game by LPU. Taileg fires from the elbow. Is good!
Wow!
Big shot from Jonathan Taileg. Para dito sa LPU scoring. His 6th point of the game, 4 in the fourth quarter. As we see this block also from Jonathan Daileg doing the damage on both ends of the floor. And look at this kick out. Jonathan Daileg for his 7th point of the game. All in this quarter, Coach.
Yan ang sinasabi nga na nagbe-benefit talaga. Yung rotation na ginagawa ni big stop for LPU.
Bravo looking for Villegas. Big possession for the LPU Pirates. 10 to shoot for the Pirates. Bravo! What a play!
That's the biggest.
Where they will attack the basket. Especially this guy, Lucero.
Nice kick out.
From the outside, it's good!
Nabutas na din. First 3-point of the ball game for EAC Generals.
1 out of 27 3 from for Lucero and the EAC. Kinal fires, misses. And Barba secures the board. Jonathan Daileg is free and he scores the basket for the icing on top of the game. Ito yung huli kanina. Hindi na nakafoul itong EAC as JM Bravo able to find Jonathan Daileg. Victor Isa challenged the shot, but Daileg found a way to put it inside the basket. Lumipad na lang itong si Daileg doon.
Daileg, ang ganda ng ginagawa nito. Dumedepensa. Kita natin, crucial shot ba kanina. Yung 3 points. And he had like 11 points.
To pull off this win dito sa ating 4th quarter. Yung ways na yan, Jonathan Daileg.
Yes. The combination. Oh, yun yung gusto ko nga malaman kay Coach Gilbert. Eh.
Ito naman ang tira mula kay Kinal sa labas. And after a grueling 4 quarters, LPU Pirates winning this game against the EAC Generals 74-65.
Big win for LPU Pirates. Yeah, isampa nila ngayon.
Nasa Final Four
yes,
na.
Nasa Final Four na. Pero kailangan pa nila magtrabaho.
Their last game will be against the CSB Blazers. Let's see if they can pull that off. But anything is possible in this league.
Kita lang naman natin si CSB, hindi bibigyan naman ganun kadali.
74-65 ang ating score. Malaking laro para sa parehong team. But LPU Pirates pulling this win off.